Hi, and welcome back to our Emote series. We're just gonna do a little rehash for GIMP from the last video. We learned a little bit about layers. Let's see, ah, how to do single export, batch exporting, scaling, and then like basics of how to use GIMP and stuff. Again, GIMP and every other free art software, it's just so we can use them to create our layers for hash libs to generate our emotes, to sell them on Etsy or upload them to Twitch. We can create them for ourselves or for other programs or for our friends. It's really up to us. They don't have to be PG-13. In this series, I'm probably going to make some not PG-13 or rated R plus. So just to let you know, like when I do get to that, um, like if you're not 18, please don't watch. Beware. I will put a slide that says if you're not 18, please do not watch this. I made all these videos that I do like not rated eight, not for kids, so I could like cuss by accident if I happen to want to, or because slip of the tongue. So yeah, just a fair warning here. All right, let's do. Okay, in this video, we're gonna do some design stuff. Um, we're gonna focus on what we want, like how many folders, how many layers in there that we want, the general design of like what do we want it to look like, special effects, blah 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 blah. You know, the good stuff. All right, let's go with paint. I'm just using like a Wacom tablet, but again, paper and pencil works fine. All right, so let's do our designs, and this is just SketchUp. All right, so we're doing. I'm gonna make it simple, so we're not overdoing things. Um, one of these layers is gonna be, what to call it? One of these folders is just to be a single layer. Like the head shape is gonna be the same, the body shape is gonna be the same, but maybe the colors are gonna be different. So yeah, I guess we can do that. Okay, so um, let's do head, uh, body, special effects. What else do we need, or what do we want? We're gonna keep this four. No, let's make this 5 by 3. So we'd have 15 layers at the end, and this is gonna be for all our stuff that we're gonna create in programs. So GIMP, um, Pixel Edit, and then Inkscape. Remember, this is um, vector drawings, and this is both pixel art. All right. So head, body. This is just generalizing here, but we're going by 5 folders, three PNG, 3 layers in here. All right. Body, head. Let's see, eyes, nose. Okay. Let's go with mouth. Okay. So now let's do no special effects. Okay. All right. So for Pixel Edit and GIMP, we want 5 by 3, 15 layers. All right. And we're going to have a head shape. We're going to have an eye shape or eyes. We're going to have like a mouth. Uh, and we're going to have special effects. And then what else do we want here? Uh, what would be good? Let's do like horns. All right. So let's do a little sketch of what this would look like. So the eye, and then like smiley face like this. Little special effects would be like little hearts around here. And then the orange be like that little horns. Kind of reminds me of Mike Kosowski from, I think, Monsters Inc. All right, so this would be what we would have in. Um, let's do this in GIMP because I like what do you call the tools there for like creating the art. I think what was it uh, like the eye shape? It gave me a lot more control than I did with Pixel Edit. But again, I had like I don't know. Anyway, so that's for GIMP, and then what do we want for uh, Pixel? Mm, this is would be our not safe for work thing. This is again, this is not PG-13. This is 18 plus. So if you're not 18, please do not look at this one. Just block it out. All right. Actually, nah. Let's keep it gentle, so we can make it for everyone. Sorry. Again, this is all work in progress. Mm, what's it called? All right. Triangle. All right. Ear shapes. All right. Right. Okay. So we can have triangle shaped kitties with kitty ears and eyes and mouth shapes. And we could do like special effect here would be like little blush, like blushing. Yeah. Okay. All right. And then let's go for vector or Inkscape. What do we want? But yeah, remember, it's always good to have like a design phase before you start on your uh, layers, just so you're not like trying to work out with what you want. Um, it's always a good thing to have a design phase before you actually start creating your layers, just so you're not wasting as much time and you kind of know what you want. All right. Mm, let's see, for Inkscape, let's do something a little, a little. Hmm, what can we do? We're just making this up as we go. This little weird creature. All right. Um, so we can have different legs, um, body shape, um, square eye. Our special effects would be we can have like a mouth shade up here, or no, not sure. Let's go with like little bubbles, because bubbles are its thing. Again, make it random, make it your own. So bubbles are special effects, the body, the legs, um, and I guess like maybe little little bear ears with its diamond shape and its little stubby little legs. All right, it's just weird things, but you get the point. All right, so those are five things. Those are five things, and those are five things for each of the layer groups. Yeah, so we got everything we want here. We can go further and like do like what's it called? Um, do like our color scheme or our color palette. And I'm not gonna go through that. You can. Let's see. So like this would be red. This would be our base colors, our first layer for everything. Um, pink, That way we kind of see what we want it to look like with color, and then we're not guessing. Let's make it as simple as possible. So, yeah, but as you can see, yeah, color palette. Think about it. Take your time. It saves you saves you some time while you're actually doing the drawing stuff on your programs. And sorry if I'm repeating myself, but yeah, I'm not great at this, but hope my workflow helps someone. All right, we got what we need. I'm gonna put this on the file, the document, and use it as you please, and hope this helps. Yeah, so let's go to the next video.